Good morning. We have completed the second session G Entrance Gallery. Today we are discussing problems from previous year's question papers. This question has occurred in G Mains 2017. So note these questions on the notebook which we have set up for the previous day of our exams. Okay, so let us start. Question: if 5 into tan square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 cos 2x plus 9, then the value of cos 4x is options A 1 by 3, B 2 by 9, C minus 7 by 9 and D minus 3 by 5. Question: if 5 into tan square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 cos 2x plus 9, then the value of cos 4x is options A 1 by 3, B 2 by 9, C minus 7 by 9 and D minus 3 by 5. Okay, here we are given a trigonometric expression and we have to find the value of cos 4x. We have to find the value of cos 4x. Cos 4x can be written as cos 2 into 2x, and now apply the formula of cos 2 theta. We know that cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this becomes 2 cos square 2x minus 1. To apply this formula, we should get the value of cos 2x. We know that there are basic 4 formulas for cos 2x. Can you say them? They are cos square x minus sin square x. Second one, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, and the last one, 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. These are the basic formulas for cos 2x. Even these, which should we apply here? That is the question. Here, the expression contains tan square x. Also, we can convert all other terms into the terms of tan square. So, for convenience, we choose this formula. Okay, that is, this expression contains tan square x. Also, we can convert all other terms into the terms of tan square. So, for convenience, we choose this formula. Okay, to apply this formula, we should get the value of tan square x. Okay, we should get the value of tan square. So, just take a substitution for tan square x, say UB or anything. Okay, just take a substitution for tan square x. Now, convert all other terms into the terms of tan square x. Okay, then we get a quadratic equation into the terms of tan square x. Okay, let's just solve it. then we get the value of tan square x. Then apply the value of tan square x here. Then we get the value of cos 2x. Then apply the value of cos 2x here. Then we get the value of cos 4x. That is the procedure. Okay. We'll explain once again. That is, we have to find the value of cos 4x. We know that cos 4x can be written as cos 2 into 2 and apply the formula of cos 2 theta, that is 2 cos square 2x minus 1. So we should get the value of cos 2x. There are basic 4 formulas for cos 2x. Here, for convenience, we choose this formula. To apply this formula, we should get the value of tan square x. So we have just taken a substitution for tan square x, say uv or anything. Then convert all other terms into the terms of tan square and make a quadratic equation into the terms of tan square. Okay, then just solve it. Then we get the value of tan square x. Then apply the value of tan square x here. Then we get the value of cos 2x and then apply the value of cos 2x here. Then we get the value of cos 4x. That is the procedure. Okay, so let us start. So we are given this trigonometric expression and we have to find the value of cos 4x. For that, first of all, just take a substitution for tan square x. Say or anything. Take a substitution for tan square x. Next, we convert all other terms into the terms of tan square x. Okay. Next, we have to convert cos square x into the terms of tan square x. For that, consider the basic identity we have studied in lower classes. That is, sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. From this, we get sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. We know that sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So, just take the reciprocal, we get the value of cos square x. So, we get cos square x is equal to 1 by 1 plus tan square x. Since we have taken the substitution for this becomes 1 by 1 plus u. So, we converted cos square x into the terms of tan square. Okay. Now, we have to convert cos 2x into the terms of tan square. That is, we know the formula for cos 2x in terms of tan square. That is, 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. That is, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay. Now, substitute the u. Since we have taken the substitution for tan square x, this becomes 1 minus u divided by 1 plus u. So we have converted all other terms into the terms of tan square. Now substitute all these expressions in this equation. Okay. Then we get a quadratic equation in the terms of tan square. Then just to simplify that, then we get the value of tan square. Okay. So we have converted all these trigonometric functions into the terms of tan square. Now substitute all these expressions in this equation, and on simplifying we get a quadratic equation in the terms of tan square. Then just solve it, we get the value of tan square. Okay, let us start. Just to substitute these expressions here. We have taken the substitution for tan square as u. Then cos square x is 1 by 1 plus u is equal to 2 cos 2x. That is 2 into 1 minus u divided by 1 plus u plus 9. Here the LCM is 1 plus u. Then we get 5 into u into 1 plus u minus 1 the whole divided by 1 plus u. Here LCM is 1 plus u. That becomes 2 into 1 minus u plus 9 into 1 plus u the whole divided by 1 plus u. 1 plus u get cancelled. Now on simplifying we get 5 into u plus u square minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 2u plus 9 plus 9u. Now we get 5u square plus 5u minus 5 is equal to, here this becomes 7u plus 11. Now this becomes 5u square minus 2u minus 16. We get the quadratic equation in the terms of tan square. Now just solve this using the formula of quadratic equation. Then we get the value of tan square. Okay. So we have reduced our given trigonometric expression into this quadratic equation. Now just solve this using the formula for the solution of a quadratic equation. Okay, that is u is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a minus b, that is 2 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. b square is minus 4ac, that is 320 divided by 2a, that is 10. We get here the square root of 324, that is 18. So this becomes 2 plus or minus 18 divided by 10. Okay, here we get two values. One of this minus 16 divided by 10, which is a negative value. Here we have taken the substitution for tan square x, that is u is tan square x, which is always positive. So consider only the positive value. Okay, that is 2 plus 18, 20 divided by 10, that is 2. That is u is 2, that is tan square x is 2. Now we obtained the value of tan square x. Now find out the value of cos 2x. That is cos 2x is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. That is 1 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2, that is minus 1 by 3. Now we find the value of cos 4x. Cos 4x is cos 2 into 2x, that is 2 cos square 2x minus 1. We have obtained the value of cos 2x as minus 1 by 3. Just substitute that value here. We get 2 into minus 1 by 3 square, that is 1 by 9 minus 1, that is 2. By taking LCM we get 2 minus 9, the whole divided by 9, that is minus 7 by 9, which is the required value. Okay, that is the value of cos 4x is minus 7 by 9. Okay.